Hey, thanks for being here today, man. Totally appreciate you hanging out with me today. You and I are at BDM Motorsports in Vernon, BC, Canada, and we're checking out a 2023 Polaris RZR Trail Ultimate. Let's get up close and personal, shall we? So this guy is going to be liquid cooled 875cc. It's got the high performance true on-demand all-wheel drive, two-wheel drive Versatrack turf mode system. For once it's got engine braking. Ooh, wow. 4-stroke dual overhead cam, twin cylinder engine. It is electronically fuel injected. It's the automatic CVT transmission, the park reverse neutral high and low. The bed box dimensions on this guy are going to be 52 by 94 by 20 centimeters or 20 by 37 by 7.5 inches. Your box capacity is going to be 136 kilograms or 300 pounds. The estimated dry weight is going to be about 588 kilograms or 1,297 pounds. Your fuel capacity is 36 liters or 9.5 gallons. Your ground clearance is going to be 27.9 centimeters or 11 inches. You're going to have a tow rating of 860 kilograms or 1,500 pounds. And the payload capacity is 336 kilograms or 740 pounds. And you've got a 200 centimeter or 79 inch wheelbase. So for brakes, this guy is going to have a 4-wheel hydraulic disc brakes with dual bore front and rear calipers, and your parking brake will be the park in the transmission. It's going to come with some entry-level tires. You're going to have a 26 by 8 by 12 in the front PXT tire and a 26 by 9 by 12 in the rear, and cast aluminum 12-inch rims on this guy as well. You're going to have Fox 2.0 podium shocks in the front. And the front suspension is going to have a dual A-arm with a stabilizer bar. It's going to have 25 centimeters or 10 inches of wheel travel. Same Fox Podium 2.0 shocks in the rear. You're going to have a dual A-arm with stabilizer bar in the rear. And basically the same thing, 25 centimeters or 10 inches of wheel travel in the rear as well. So basically, with the Ultimate, you're going to be getting the roof. You're going to be getting the Fox podium shocks that we talked about. And I think the automotive paint is a part of it as well. But especially it's going to have the ride command system in it, which is basically a GPS or navigation and stereo system inside. No, she does not come with. So underneath your hood in the front, let's see. Alright, so there's your reservoir. Pretty cool. I like the doors on this thing. Nice and high up. It'll keep you in there. Great handle. You got some storage space in here. And I believe there's a glove box underneath. There you go. There's your ride command app. It takes a long time to come on. Come on. You can do it. There you go. That's pretty cool. So it will be fully automatic. Got a couple of cup holders there. Got tons of legroom in here. I have a tilt steering. Pretty cool bucket seats. And there's the roof that it comes with. Right on. Oh yeah. Alright, so there you got your display there. Ride command, your headlight and your 4-wheel drive switch. And massive storage in there too, right on. You're gonna have a 12-volt power supply there. And there's your speakers. Sweet. Great looking kick pods. Underneath the wheel there too. And there's what it looks like in the box in the back. You got a roll bar too that covers it all. Very cool. And once again, it's got the baby trailer hitch. Well, that'll wrap up another episode for Canadian Quaders Review. So appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Please make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button before you leave. Just that little effort makes a huge difference to the channel. If we could get like 10 likes for this video, that would be super. Thanks guys for everything. So appreciate you guys being here. With that, I am out of here for now, but we will see you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching.